One boy now, my chuko. Oye, me boy, oh.
As a man around here, we tell me na what's up. Tell me na what's up. I'm not on the office, but in the next 3 minutes, he got from.
Wake now, my chuko. Oye, me boy,
Tell him na what's up.
Uwa paint away, kite them over.
What the time no wofu. Go to Bali fan in my Benz. Or give it be a car. Monday when I go motor, Monday when I go motor. All to Tatarana or the be in my Benz. No one was no one. Baliki been an yalinya. Now you keep this thing on top my Benz.
Okay, landlord, wait happen.
Why you keep this thing on top my Benz?
Wait happen. Person no go 1 minute or where did you go for this compound? Every time we don't they shout, you go there they shout up and down. Ogala, waiting person do it for this compound. Every time you go they shout up and down. If you know be because of motor, it will be because of boiler. Boiler is dirty. It will be because of wire. It will be because of one thing. Maka. What you have for landlord?
I just ask you why you keep this thing for my Benz.
Me Benz. When you Benz. This carton why you fuck for this place, man. Even say for my baba for Kano State, the motor they take they carry Shanu, you pass this one. You they say they keep Benz. This carton that 2 months to myself, you never carry it, you never come up for it. Put and keep. But do Ama is Benz catch your way Benz.
If you are tired of this compound, you leave this compound for me.
See, make I tell Ogalelo that thing no go work. I no go leave anything because I pay my rent and I go stay conflict before I go far come out. You dey hear me, but even if the prayer what they pray now be say, it don't Allah ya you equal my business it go well. I'm gonna buy my own car. Kuma is no. Here I'm gonna fight it.
Na compound
Yes, man. I pay rent.
You no go do am.
I pay kudi. You understand? It's not only like your kitchen where person pay for comfort myself you go take. If I pay for comfort, I get money for motor, I buy motor, I fuck it. Even Magona, I go do ugu. For year myself, I go start to do farming.
Na bem.
Yes, Ogalando, but abun da ze paru.
Ha. Otibu inyagwa kwa mal tenant out, no kwa headache. Your brother, Musa, your brother, where carry you come here? Talk say you no get problem.
I no get one lie. I no get one lie, but I'm gonna get money for motor and I'm gonna buy it.
I know all
this thing you dey do like this is because I no give you anyone. But how can you don't even know if it ginger ide or kunu ide or waiting. You don't know. Ama you know it the shari riri ko.
Can't carry this thing come up for here.
Well, let you no go happen. Now market are they go like this. Nonsense. See, make I tell you all this way they do like this. Now just where you go pray for person, dash person money, say take, I support your business. You know what do I go 2 months like this, car took one day, he never drive it. But fuel ma come shishi work the sh.
Every time
go the shop, person go carry market. Even ask you myself, you know go talk.
And I'm saying I feel my working in a mail account. In a mail account. And then my arena. Ibulu Zobama, Buluku and Abase straight to Hausa. No come back to this compound though. Or then before you come back, I go carry on go keep for you forget.
Well, let be lying lazy Ogalalo. If you try it, I'm gonna call all my brothers in this pool and you go lie. You see this belly when you carry it, I'm gonna use dagger and do your operation. That is what lie. You are gonna boy it. You are gonna want that you can try it.
Let you put me sulu I'm the buying. You can do what do come. Walk with the boy and I watch on a more. You're going to be fine. You look like, you're going to go.